There's a guy behind, there's like a stack of barrels. There's a guy behind like a stack of barrels as well. But these guys are there. Got him! Yeah, I got one by that building. Good?
Yeah. I'm gonna try getting that.
Hello. Who else is up there?
I want to shoot through under the bridge, but there's Martians just in the middle of it.
You don't need to shoot under the bridge. They're left, they're northwest. Right.
You better not.
I want to go to X-ray tower, but is that too risky? It was probably a ricochet shot.
Where will we get shot from?
You got shot from a 6.7. Oh, yeah, good shot. Hit! We're approaching enemy territory.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, that.
Hello, Mr. GoPro.
Yeah, the GoPro is saying hi.
Yeah, but can I show the GoPro my dance moves?
What?
Is
Is it on?
Yeah.
Come on guys, look at the flag. Get to the top, quick.
Now get through, guys, get through. Oh, hit! It was a very weak hit. It was a really light hit. It was just like... Oh yeah, over there, over there.
I got Gilly.
Oh, hello. Do you want to see how really muddy this road is? Well, sure. Here you go. Look at this shit. Yeah, no chance. Oh god.
How you finding the gun?
It's really good, like
totally
way
in it.
better, like the power.
I know, they're amazing.
Doug, where are these blues? Because it seems like they've just given up.
Wait, I hear
I wouldn't be surprised if we've lost a lot of them going up and down the hill, mate.
blues giving
Oh,
up.
mate, I've just